The thing about Friday Night Live is it changes people's lives in a lot of different ways.
Underage drinking is a real problem in Napa County and is the #1 contributing factor to death among people under 21. Local surveys have shown that 41% of Napa County's 11th graders had consumed alcohol at least once in the preceding 30 days. 29% admit to driving after drinking, and 76% say it's easy or fairly easy to get alcohol.
Our Friday Night Live chapter helps open the community's eyes about the problems of underage drinking and see that it is a real issue. It shows that it is possible to prevent all of the bad things that happen when teens drink.
Friday Night Live doesn't just discourage youth from underage drinking. It really empowers them and it gives them real-world job skills.
It helps us learn how to work with our peers and adults, and it helps teach us how to speak in public. At our big event, the town hall meeting, I had to speak in front of 120 people, and before I would have never done that.
So a lot of people ask, what is Friday Night Live? And Friday Night Live is really a youth development program that engages youth in implementing research-based projects, campaigns, and policy development to address problems with alcohol in the community, such as underage drinking, which is their current focus. So the youth that are involved with Friday Night Live have opportunities to connect with their community, build relationships, and develop leadership skills.
During the 2009-10 school year, Friday Night Live grew from 1 chapter to 4 chapters in Napa County, all of which focused on preventing underage drinking in the community. Activities included the planning and hosting of 2 successful town hall meetings about underage drinking, collecting data to learn where youth access alcohol and how alcohol is promoted to youth. 2 chapters even worked on building community support for local ordinances that prevent underage drinking at house parties, the #1 source of alcohol among teens in Napa County. Our chapter at Justin Siena also worked with Napa Police to bring the TRACE protocol to Napa. In the case of alcohol-related injuries or deaths where underage drinking is involved, this protocol helps Napa Police identify where minors got their alcohol and hold that source accountable.
We work as teams and we work on really specific projects that take real action to reduce underage drinking and the problems it causes. I feel great that we might be helping save people's lives.
Hosting a Friday Night Live chapter on the campus has been an incredible experience. Not only has it helped us promote our school, but it also helped us increase our connections to the community. But what's most important is to see the growth and the confidence and the self-respect that these youth are gaining through their participation in Friday Night Live. And hosting it at our campus is just not an option. It's an incredible, incredible opportunity.
We know that our voices matter, and that even me, just one person, can actually make a difference and save lives by speaking out.
What started out as a program to keep kids busy on Friday nights so they wouldn't turn to alcohol has evolved into so much more. Now, youth, in partnership with adults, develop specific targeted plans to tackle the problem of underage drinking and drug abuse head-on.
One of the most important things about Friday Night Live is that it allows our voice, the youth's voice, to be heard. We work with adults, we plan events, and we help youth in our community get involved. It's an opportunity for people to see us in a leadership capacity.
This program has really earned my respect. It shows that youth really are involved in the community and want to make it better. They take on real issues and they work with and talk to local officials, and that's true leadership. It's just a great program.
Friday Night Live builds partnerships between youth and adults to improve their communities. This approach creates life-changing opportunities for youth to step up, take the lead on something important to them, and find ways to make a difference.
So they're beginning to learn different ways of thinking about what their role in the community is. But most importantly, they're building hope. They're beginning to believe that they can make a difference instead of automatically assuming that they can't. And these are life and career skills that Friday Night Live participants will carry with them forever.
I loved being a part of Friday Night Live the last 4 years. I'm really proud of the work that we've done, and I can't wait to see it get even better in the future.